Hello and welcome, friends. If you're new here, my name is Sandy Cruz and I create videos and digital products, all things I. That is anything that you can do on your iPad that you used to do on paper. If that sounds fascinating to you, be sure to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell so that you will be notified every time I have something fun to show you. And that's what I have to show you today. This is fun. I just came off a big planner launch. I actually stopped the planners that I was making this year for 2023 midway through the year because I found a whole new system, a better system, and something that makes the iPlanners less than 3 MB, literally, and doesn't lose a bit of quality. Now, the iPlanners have never had an issue lagging or breaking or anything like that. And I've been doing this for over 10 years. And so they've never had an issue there. But they keep evolving and they keep getting better and better. And this year is the ultimate. And I'm just so tickled about the process now and the way I have it set up now. I can do them fast and get them out fast, and it's not going to be as daunting as it used to be. So, in fact, just a little side note here, which has nothing to do with what we're going to be talking about today. Um, I am going to be teaching how to do this, and I'm going to be giving away with the course my template so that you could, within hours, have planners done, up and running, and in your shop and making money. Okay, so that's not what we're going to talk about though today, but if this is something that interests you, you might want to go down to the description and hit the link that will take you to a wait list, because when that launches, I'm going to be notifying everybody that's been registering on that wait list. Okay, so now down to the fun business. All right, so this is December. I hate to mention dates in my videos so that they don't, time out, but we're in the Christmas season, and I want to do something fun. And in the past years, we have done in our iPlanner group, we have done some penguins, we've done some globes, snow globes, and we've done cups, mugs, holiday mugs, and ugly sweaters. I don't know if we've done something else, but we've done that over the years in the group using all iDesign shapes. And I'm telling you, some of the people in that group are so creative and they just make the cutest things. And then we ended up giving them away after, everybody kind of entered their little design. But I wanted to do something in combination with the boho sticker kit. And so I thought, those would be so cute on the sweaters. So let me just zoom in to the 10th. And that was when I was planning on doing some ugly sweaters on the group. And so to do these, the sweater is, let me get my pointer. The sweater is an iDesign shape, and the fill in the shape is the cable knit patterns. And then, of course, the ugly design on the sweater, which I don't think is very ugly. I mean, I would wear that sweater. But those are all done with, let me just move this over a little bit, with the boho Christmas sticker or winter sticker set. All right, so to do these, and I'm going to show you how to do them. To do these, I do them in Keynote in iDesign, and then I just copy them over as stickers. But if you just take a really quick look at my month, I've gone ahead and I've taken the mittens with the dates on them, and I've dated my month. And then every day that I have an event planned, like tomorrow is going to be ornament day, we're going to be making ornaments. And then I have a small dinner on Tuesday night, and then wrapping. I put a bow for wrapping. We have candy day next Sunday. I think we're exchanging gifts. Yeah. But that should really be a stocking there, because I think we're just exchanging stocking gifts and then waiting for Christmas Day for gifts. And then, of course, the midnight mass, um, the night before Christmas. And then I've also got over here that I'm going to be checking out some sales. And then my New Year's Eve is going to be spent in front of the TV with a pizza. So, oh, and then the beginning of this week, I had baking day, and that's when I did all breads and cookies. And I make these little loaves of bread, and I have a box that my silhouette cuts out of 12 by 12 sheets of paper, and then it cuts it out, and I fold it, and it makes these boxes that these loaves fit in perfectly. So I just made a ton of them, and so it's a really busy month. All right, so to have this fun with the sweaters, you guys are gonna love this. I've showed people how to do this before in the past, but I know there's a lot of new people in the group and a lot of new people on my YouTube. So let's just pop over to Keynote. Okay, so like I said, I use the sweater from, and then there's 3 different sweaters included in the kit. Now these are shapes. You import these into Keynote. They're all fillable shapes. You can fill them with whatever you want. You can use them all year round. They don't have to be just for a warm and cozy winter, but that's what the name of these shape kit, the iDesign shapes kit is. But as you could see, we've got some holiday stuff. There's a tree, a fireplace. And if you are on the iPlanner Facebook group and you're new to the group, go look at some of the videos and even do a search for the snow globes, the penguins, the coffee mug. We even did, I think, a month of these cozy chairs. Let me just show you a couple of the chairs that I did. This was one of them, and this was another one. And the rug also comes with the warm and cozy kit. And then, of course, I did a Netflix one. Whenever there's something I'm watching regularly on Netflix, I put that on in my iPlanner. And we've also got leather patterns in the store. So I made a leather chair, and there's a little pillow that goes along with it. Here's one of the penguins. And I'm just going through this because I know a lot of you aren't familiar with the iDesign Keynote shapes that are in the store. And there are so many of them. You could customize any of them to the max and turn them into stickers for your iPlanner. All right, so let's get back. Let me show you some of the sweaters that I made. I really like this color combination because it matches the boho stickers. So there's one that I did. And there's another one. I put the snowflake on that one. This one I put the snowman on. And this is the one that actually ended up in my planner for today's date so that I would celebrate Ugly Sweater Day. Okay, so let me just I've got a brand new blank drawing space, or slide, if you will. And I'm going to go ahead, and you're probably going to see the top of my head a lot because I'm looking down at my planner. Sorry about that. Sometimes I don't even think I should turn on my video because of that. All right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on the sweater that I want to use, and that's this one right here. And I'm going to go ahead and copy it because I never want to disturb my original. And this is how it comes in the package. So this is not only acts as the cover to all my slides that are behind it in Keynote, but it's also my template. So I don't just do anything to resize or disturb or fill here. So I've copied that. I'm going to take it over to my blank slide. And then I'm going to go ahead and paste it. All right, so now the iDesign shapes, there's really nothing to them. All you do is tap and fill. And they're usually made up of layers, and they're usually grouped. So if they're grouped, whatever section you want to fill, you just double tap it, and that unlocks the group, but it doesn't ungroup them so that they could get messed up and out of line. So I'm going to first fill the center one. And so that would be this right here. So now that I've double tapped it, I'm going to go to the paintbrush tool. You're not going to believe how easy this is if you've not done this before. And now I'm going to tap image and replace. I'm going to go to my photos because I keep all of my patterns in albums. Whoops. I didn't tap that very well. Replace, photos, albums. And let's see, cable. Here's the cable knits. And maybe I'll do a little bit different color combination. Maybe I'll do, it's got to match. Let me do red in the middle. All right, so now we've got some red. And now I'm going to tap the sleeves. Going to do the same thing. I'm going to replace, choose a photo, go to my albums and the cable knit patterns. So now I think I'll do the sleeves if I want to keep it consistent with the color palette. Yeah, that looks good. All right, so now I want to do the cuffs and the bottom band and the neck band. So paintbrush tool, choose photo, albums, and cable knit. This time I think I'm going to do this blue, or kind of blue. All right, so that looks like the boho palette to me a little bit, sort of. Okay, so now I want to get my design, my ugly part, which is the middle of my sweater. All right, so to do that, I'm going to swipe up and add my drop box to the side. And let's see, I need to go all the way back to the boho stickers. There they are, package, PNGs. These also come pre-cropped in a Goodnotes file. So you can use the PNGs or the Goodnotes file. So if you're not using Goodnotes, if you're using some other note-taking app for your planning, you'll still be able to use them because it comes in PNGs. All right, now why am I here? Oh, here we go. All right, so for this, let's see, what do I want to put? I don't want to put anything with too much red on it. I could do, well, the candy cane. I don't want to do the candy cane. Maybe I can do a big snowflake. So I'm just going to kind of drag and drop, but I don't want to drop onto any of the shapes. Otherwise, it will fill the shapes with this sticker. So I kind of let it go on the edge. So that's kind of ugly. Let me duplicate this one and add a few more other stickers just so we have a variety. So I'll duplicate that and I'm going to delete the snowflake. Well, I thought I deleted it. Delete. There we go. All right, let me scroll through here some more. Oh, I can put a big bow. Whoops, I want to do that down here. If I do it in the shape, it just takes on that shape. It tries to fill the shape. Oh, there we go. I'd wear that. All right, I'm going to duplicate again. I mean, you could see how fast you could pump these out if you wanted several of them. Let's see, what else do I have that would look good on this sweater? An ornament, a present. Let's do a present. There's a stocking, a mitten. I'm going to do this present. Whoop. I keep wanting to drag it right to the middle. All right, so I just used one sticker on each one of these sweaters, just, you know, for simplification. But this one right here, where'd it go? There it is. This one has several pieces in it. I used one of the trees. I duplicated the lights and I put a strand up here and a strand down here. I used 3 of the gifts. And then I used 2 of the ornaments. So there's a lot of elements on this sweater. And that's actually the one that I copy and pasted over to my iPlanner, to my December month. I want to go ahead and get this one and bring this one over to my planner. I like the way this one looks. I'll select all, done, copy. And now I'm going to go over to my planner. And I don't need these stickers open anymore. And let's see, I can put this sweater, I'll put it in one of the blank days. And there you go. It pastes right over there with complete transparency. And all the pieces are merged together. And there you have it. Another sticker on my month of December iPlanner. Okay, so if you've made it to this point, I hope by now you've subscribed and hit the bell. Did you like this video? Hit like for me, because that really helps YouTube know that you enjoy my videos. And that's all there is to it. It's as easy as that. So now I want to see your ugly sweaters. And I'm going to link below what I used in my ugly sweaters. And I will also link, I believe there's a free ugly sweater shape for Keynote available in the store. And I'll link to that too in the description so that you can download the shapes and fill it with your patterns and your stickers. And if you need some inspiration, go over to the iPlanner Facebook group. I'll link that below as well. And just do a search in the group for ugly sweater and get some inspiration because there's a lot of them over there. And while you're at it, look for the snow globes and the penguins and the cozy chair, because there's just some really cute stuff over there that we've done in the past. All right, that's all for today. I have some things planned for the rest of this month, so you will be seeing me again before the holiday. Until then, have a marvelous weekend. Bye.